होण पर खुशी साडी सांझी है। ये एकता दिया रहा साडी सच्ची दौलत बांझी है। In unity there is strength, in diversity there is beauty. Good morning to our respected coordinator, teachers and all my dear friends.
We, the students of class 6B, feel proud to welcome you all to today's morning assembly.
The theme of today's assembly is unity in diversity, a phrase that truly reflects the spirit of our great country.
India is a land of many cultures, languages and traditions, yet we all live together with love and respect.
Though we may look different and celebrate differently, but our hearts beat as one.
Prayer is not a routine, it's a connection.
I would like everyone to stand up and join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. Now I invite Namandeep to share the thought of the day, followed by Tejaswani giving us the meaning.
The thought of the day is unity in diversity is not just about living together. It's about growing stronger because we are different. I repeat the thought. Unity in diversity is not just about living together. It's about growing stronger because we are different.
This means that we all are different, but that's what makes us special. When we work and learn together, we become stronger as one team.
Thank you.
To know what's happening around the world, I would like to invite Rajveer, Zaveen, Harleen, Shanveer and Iqbal to update us with today's headlines. News. During
Operation Mahadev, terrorist mastermind eliminated. External Affairs Minister J. Shankar rolled out a 5-point approach against terrorism.
Good morning everyone. Today's international news is India joins UN talks on Palestine peace. India has decided to send a team of CRPF commandos to Libya.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is 19-year-old Divya Deshmukh became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women World Cup, a defining moment in India's chess history.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is morning expected light raining followed by considerable cloud cover. High temperature around 32 degrees Celsius, low temperature around 26 degrees Celsius. All over a cloudy day with some morning showers.
Good morning everyone. We're thrilled to inform you that Smart India School will be holding the SWS Confluence 2025 on 1st August to 2nd August. Let's all unite to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
ਸਾਡੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂ ਹਰ ਕੋਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦੀ ਹੈ, ਪਿਆਰ ਤੇ ਭਰੋਸੇ ਦੀ ਰੀਤ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦੀ ਹੈ। Now our friends will present an English poem on theme Unity in Diversity.
The valleys glow, where huge mountains wear a shining snow. In joyful Punjab, the fields are wide, where people dance with hearts of pride.
Lively Haryana, strong and bright, wrestlers train with all their might. Folk songs fill the air with grace, simple hearts and smiling face.
Sunny mountain beaches in Goa's delight, waves crash softly in glowing moonlight. Kerala's backwaters, so calm and serene, with lush green trees and sights so clean.
Deserts of Rajasthan bold and bright, places shining in the glowing sunlight. Traditional Tamil Nadu proud and grand, temples and dances fill this ancient land.
Sikkim's hills are colorful and full, festivals bloom so rich and beautiful. In Gujarat's fairs, there's energy and fun, where every heart beats as one.
Many cultures yet we stand as one, shining bright like the morning sun. Unity in diversity is India's way. Together we bloom, comfort me. Thank you. Thank you for a beautiful word. भाषाएं अलग पर भाव एक होता है, दिलों का मेल ही तो भारत को जोड़ता है. Now Kevin will present a Hindi poem on unity in diversity.
सुप्रभात, आज मैं आपको हिंदी कक्षा प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। हमारा सपना है प्यारा, भारत बने सबसे न्यारा, एकता का दीप जलाए, साथ मिलकर कदम बढ़ाए, धर्म जाति सब भूल चले, प्यार और भाईचारे में डले, हिंसा में है एकता की बात, भारत है हमारी सबसे बड़ी सौगात। धन्यवाद।
Thanks, Kevin.
Now I invite Guru Rahim for a few important things to note down for unity in diversity.
We should respect everyone's culture and religion, learn to appreciate different languages and tradition, never tease someone for how they look or speak, celebrate festivals together, speak up if you see someone being excluded. Thank you.
Thank you for the important things.
Now on, let's present a skit made by our classmates representing different personalities from different states.
मेरी शान, हर रंग हर भाषा मेरी है पहचान, हिमालय की ऊंचाई गंगा का बहाव, संग चलती है संस्कृतियाँ यही मेरा प्रभाव, कभी बांसुरी कभी ढोल की ताल, हर सुर में बसी है एकता की मिसाल। आओ बच्चों दिखाओ आज अपने अपने राज्य की शौर्य परंपरा का राज, भारत माँ का सरो ऊंचा सदा, ऐसा नायक हो हर राज्य से खड़ा।
I am Bhagat Singh. I belong to the bold land of Punjab, where hearts sacrifice. They can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas.
From the peaceful soil of Gujarat, I bring the message of truth. Be the change you wish to see in the world.
I am Rani Lakshmibai from Jhansi in Uttar Pradesh, the land of Fiance Queen and freedom.
I come from Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, where science were dreams and dreams took flight. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts transform into action. I am Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
I'm Lata from the musical world in Maharashtra, where every note sings unity. मेरी आवाज़ ही पहचान है.
I'm PV Sandhu from the rising land of Telangana, where every girl learns to fight and fly. I bring strength through sport.
I am Kalpana Chawla, born in Karnal, Haryana, where the sky couldn't even stop me. The sky was not the limit. We speak in different tongues, we wear different colors, we pray in different hearts, but we beat one same heart. We are India.
We are India. We are India. We are India. Right. In every phase, there is right. Different languages, one song the same. India's heart has a vibrant ring. Thank you for a wonderful skit.
Now, Class 6B wants to present a video made by our star, Rehan.
A word, but it holds a world inside it. Think of all the colors, festivals, languages, and foods you know. Now imagine all of that multiplied by 1,000, because from north to south, east to west, India is a giant family filled with differences, and that's exactly what makes us special. Let's take a journey together. Imagine you're in Kashmir, up in the north, where people greet you with namaste and share warm cups of kawa tea. The mountains are snowy, the air is cool, and the music sounds different from anything you've heard before. Now what if I told you thousands of kilometers away, there are children in Kerala, in the south, dipping their feet in the sea, enjoying spicy sambar and dancing to Kathakali tunes. Different places, different faces, but both are home. Keep traveling. To the east in Assam, you'll find tea gardens and the colorful festival of Bihu. People here might speak Assamese, but they laugh and play just like anyone, anywhere. Go west to Rajasthan, and the desert glitters with music and folk dances, with people wearing bright turbans and sharing stories under the stars. But here's the magic. No matter where you go, you'll find kindness, respect, and friends ready to welcome you. Even if we don't look the same or speak the same words, the feeling of togetherness, of unity, brings us close. Have you ever cheered for India in cricket or celebrated a festival at school with friends from different backgrounds? That's unity in diversity. It's about standing together, helping each other, and learning from our differences. Imagine a classroom with students from all over the country. Each person brings a new story, a new dish in their lunchbox, a new song to sing. When we mix all of that, it's like creating a beautiful rainbow with every color shining bright. So next time you see someone who looks or speaks differently, remember, inside we all want the same things: happiness, friendship, and a place to belong. Our strength is in our diversity. When we unite, we're unstoppable. India teaches us that being different doesn't mean being apart. It means we have more to share, more to learn, and more reasons to celebrate together. From north to south, east to west, unity and diversity is what makes India and all of us amazing. Let's cherish that today and always. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant cities of Delhi and Lucknow, North India is a land of history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Here you'll find ancient temples, bustling markets, and people who celebrate every festival with unmatched enthusiasm.
Quiz time! Get ready for a fun and excited quiz. Think smart, answer fast, and enjoy the challenge.